how to get light switch wallpaper on iPhone and iOS 18. So if you want to get light switch wallpaper on iPhone and iOS 18, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper and then tap on add new wallpaper, tap on photo shuffle, and here you just need to simply go with select photos manually. Go with all. Here you can go with all, which is on the left side, and you need to select two wallpapers which has that light switch, and after that go with add, which is on the top right. And as you can see, you will have this kind of interface. Now you can go with the three dots which is on the bottom right and tap on tap and go with add, which is on the top right, and that's it. Now if you tap on your wallpaper on your lock screen, then it will give you that light switch effect. As you can see that if you tap on it, it will be turned off, and if you tap on it again, it will be turned on. That's how you can get light switch wallpaper on your iOS 18 and iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.